Today, I'll show you how to reconcile PayPal in Xero step by step so your records stay accurate and up to date. We'll move through the process slowly and clearly so you can follow along on your own screen and understand why each step matters, not just where to click. First, open your browser and go to Xero.com. Log into your account as you normally would. Once you're in, the first place you want to head to is the main dashboard. To do that, click on Home. This brings you to the overview of your organization's financials where you can see your different bank accounts and balances at a glance. On this home screen, look for the section that shows your business bank account. Even though we're dealing with PayPal, in Xero your PayPal account is typically set up and treated like a bank account, so it appears in this area. Next to that account, you should see an option that says Reconcile items. Go ahead and click that. This is where you'll match the transactions that have come through from PayPal with the transactions in Xero, or create new ones where needed. You'll now be on the reconciliation screen. Here, you'll see the statement lines that Xero has imported from your PayPal feed. Each line represents a payment, refund, fee, or transfer that has gone through PayPal. To work with one of these, select the statement line you want to reconcile. When you click on it, you'll usually see options appear to either match it with an existing transaction or create a new one. For this walkthrough, we'll focus on creating a new transaction from that line, so click Create. This opens up a panel or form where you can tell Xero the details of what that PayPal transaction was for. The first field you'll see is usually labeled Who. This is where you enter the contact associated with the transaction. It might be a customer, a supplier, or maybe a platform or marketplace you regularly use. Start typing the name, and if the contact already exists in Xero, you can select it from the list. If not, you can create a new contact so that future transactions for that same person or business are easier to reconcile. Next, move to the field labeled What. This is where you choose the account or category the transaction should be coded to. For example, if this PayPal payment is income from a sale, you'd select an appropriate revenue or sales account. If it's a fee or subscription, you'd choose the correct expense account. Taking a moment to select the right option here is important because this is what keeps your profit and loss and reports meaningful. After that, fill in the why field. Think of this as your description or reference. Here, you briefly explain what the transaction was for. It might be something like online course sale via PayPal or PayPal transaction fee. The goal is to add enough details so that if you or someone else looks back at this later, it's immediately clear what happened without needing to dig for more information. Once you've completed the who, what, and why sections and checked that the amount and date match the PayPal statement line, you're ready to finalize it. When everything looks correct, click OK. Xero will create the transaction based on your entries and reconcile it against that PayPal statement line. You can then move on to the next statement line and repeat the same process. Select the line, click Create, fill in who, choose what, describe why, and confirm by clicking OK. Working through each line like this ensures your PayPal activity is fully reconciled in Xero, giving you clean, reliable financial records.